Most people get this wrong. They think Payday Advantage USA is just another payday loan app with sky-high fees. The surprising truth in 2026 is that it's evolved into a faster, more transparent platform for short-term cash advances, designed to help users cover emergencies with minimal hassle. Here's how it works. Payday Advantage USA allows you to borrow small amounts based on verified income or past paychecks. Funds can arrive in your bank account in just a few hours, making it perfect for unexpected expenses like car repairs, medical bills, or urgent home fixes. Before you borrow, the app clearly shows exactly how much you'll owe and when repayment is due, helping prevent surprises. One of the standout features is its simple, easy-to-read dashboard. You can track your balance, see upcoming payments, and monitor repayment history all in one place. This makes it easier to stay on top of your finances and avoid late fees. However, it's important to note the downside. Using Payday Advantage USA for everyday spending rather than emergencies can quickly get expensive. Overborrowing or rolling over loans may lead to higher costs and potential financial stress. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only borrow what you can realistically repay on time. 2. Set reminders for repayment dates. 3. Treat the app as a short-term solution, not a long-term crutch. Who benefits most? People with stable income who occasionally need fast access to cash for unexpected expenses. Those with irregular income or impulsive spending habits may face higher fees. In conclusion, Payday Advantage USA in 2026 is fast, practical, and transparent, but only if used responsibly. Treat it as an emergency tool, track your repayments carefully, and plan your spending wisely. Subscribe for honest app reviews and actionable tips to manage your money better.